Right then, back on A5 again. It's been a while. We're trying to do all these other projects in between. That weren't the plan. Originally, when the turbo went pop on the dyno, the big GTC turbo, we hoped that we'd have it turned around in a couple of weeks, back on it, and away we go. That didn't happen. We obviously had the performance German day that wanted to cut us, so we just threw one of our... Well, we had a problem with turbo at track day, that was my fault, but anyway. So we just threw one of our 2566s on. It was the old style comp wheel that we used to use, so 66mm. But we've got a new lightweight turbine, so while we're at the track we just turned it down a bit. I think it probably was 380 horsepower or something like that, maybe, looking at what fuel we were in. So it weren't running as much as it could have been, like 420s before. So we just threw that turbo on, and that meant to only been on there until the bigger GTC came back. That's not here yet, that's still not here. We're having a bit of complications with changing the turbine wheel, because obviously we're not wanting to use a ballless wheel. We want to have a shaft that goes all the way through with a nut on the end rather than the wheel having the threads in it. So we've got to do some machining at the turbine side and put the bigger comp wheel in. So it's not going to be a cheap turbo, and it's not proven to be easy. So in between that, this was running out of MOT, and Scott needs to go around Europe in it, just on a tour. He's not going to any track days at all, as far as I can see. So the plan was get it MOT worthy, which means put it DPF back on. That's what that is. And then it's all good for Scott to take and do what he's doing and take it to Europe. What doesn't help as well, it's gone for an MOT today, and then all the mechanics and the tuners, they all want some time off for some sort of summer break. So what I've decided is, well, I want some as well. So today's the day where we're going to just get everything boxed up, get everything sorted, all the customer cars finished, get the workshop in a state where it can be left as it is, and get the other project cars in a state where we can leave them over at Fab Shop and Dan can have a play and get some stuff done on them. So the next plan for the A5, it's not going to happen immediately. It's going to have to be when Scott comes back. That's going to go on the dyno, run it up with the DPF in, see what power we're getting, whip the DPF out again, see what power that does, and then we should be at that point where we can either leave it like that, take it on some more track days or whatever, or put the big turbo back on and get it ready to rock. But we've done this little bit of a video because everybody keeps talking about the Leon and the Golf and saying why we quit on the Audi. We've not quit on the Audi. We're not giving it away until it's going to happen probably sooner than Christmas, but at the latest it's going to be Christmas, so we've got plenty of time to do the 500 horsepower conversion that we wanted to do, and to take it to the drag strip and do a bit better. We'll see what happens, whether we'll leave that to the sort of winner, we'll see. But we've got plenty of time, we're not in a rush, we don't need to do it quickly. It would have been nice to still have a video every week, but it's just not worked out like that, and to be honest, with racing and doing that much preparations for the other racing events, that it's just not happening for us. But as you can see now with the 2566 and the DPF, this is how we're going to give it away, because this is it's cheaper, but not cheaper that we're sort of any better off, because the turbo that we're on this before is done with anyway. But the reason I'd prefer to give it away in this state is obviously it's road legal having a DPF, and the turbo that's going to be on there, the 2566, should there be any other problems in future, it's a lot cheaper and a lot easier for the customer to upgrade to a bigger turbo, because they can just bolt it on at their leisure and not need to tune it. But if you had the big one and you wanted to go backwards because it were too expensive for an 1800 quid turbo, then you'd have to tune it, which would cost money and stuff like that. And so what we decided to do, send it out of this spec. It's road legal, it's cheaper to maintain, cheaper to look after. I wouldn't say more reliable, because the reliability concerns we had were because we were tracking it and oil cooler weren't working properly. But we just want it to be, we don't want to basically give somebody a problem. I know it's only 25 quid, but not everybody's got 2 or 3 grams sat to one side if they have a problem. So I think that's the best way to leave it. Pretty much everything else will probably left as it is. We'll sort of give the customer a choice whether they want the brakes as they are, because they chatter away a little bit when you go and have a bumps, or we're going to swap them to the S5 with these pads that we've got, so we've still got them on the shelf. We take them with us when we go and track these in case there's problems with these. So that's potentially what we're going to do. But that we'll leave that up to the customer or the winner, because it's not really a big deal to us. We know better off if you keep them or keep the others, because whichever ones you don't have, they'll go on to our next project anyway, and the next project is not going to be track focused like this one. It's just going to be probably Scottsdale driver car. That's the plan. We're probably going to get the newer V6 engine and do some more development work on that, because we know roughly where we're going to be with this one. I would have liked to put a fully built engine in and do all that sort of stuff, but we're not going to get to that. Really, if we're going to go tons further with that beyond the 500 that we're hoping for, you'd be talking different gearbox and stuff like that. And the newer ones, they come with a ZF8 speed, which we do want to do a bit of work on them as well. We think we've got where we need to get with this 7 speed. Not this specific one because of the pain it has. The other ones, the newer ones are a lot better. So hopefully that's a little bit of an update for people. Sorry, it's not one with 1,000 horsepower and all that sort of stuff going on, but it's still progress. We've been using it. It's going to get used. It's probably going to do another 3,000 miles next week. So we'll see how that goes. And we'll get on to some race car stuff next anyway. So like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to enter the competition, because it's going to be a good one. I can't wait to give it away. It's going to be a good day for somebody.